Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be making this delicious mandazi, or should I call them shortcakes. They are from Nairobi, Kenya, which is in East Africa, my motherland. So trust this recipe. Thank you so much for being here. Let's start making them. Here we have 3 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we have this spice. Guys, this spice is a not miss. You should not miss this one. This one is a must have. This one is called cardamoms, not cardamom, cardamoms. So for this, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of this, and then ensure that you have room temperature water or milk. Room temperature. By the way, if you want your mandazi to be very sweet, this is a must have. Always save your dry ingredients. So this is flour and cardamom spice, and it is very flavorful. The kitchen right now smells so yummy. The importance of saving is that our mandazis are going to have air. Add in your sugar, your baking powder, and then your room temperature water at this juncture. So as you can see, you can either decide to cook eggless or mandazis that have eggs. It is just up to you. So after kneading for 10 minutes, our dough is almost getting to the consistency that you want. And remember, as you as you make your dough, you will always maybe add in the flour or water or the milk that you're using. The end goal is just knowing the consistency that you should have. That is the only secret. But good thing is that here in Tracy's Global Kitchen, I will definitely teach you how we Africans do this recipe. And considering the fact that I'm an African myself, I'm sure you can always trust this recipe. So we are just be patient. We are almost there. Here we have some butter. We are going to scoop just a little bit of it. Okay, like so. Just a little bit of that. Then you should always ensure that your butter is soft. Yeah, it should not be hard. So after that, we want to ensure that it has gone to all parts of the dough, right? So we have to keep on punching our dough. So we have our dough, and this is how you check whether your dough is ready. Clean hands, punch, no stickiness, right? No stickiness. Clean hands, no stickiness. No stickiness. You can even try to punch in. Look at how soft the dough is. Very soft. Very soft. Very soft. So our dough is good. We're now going to take this bit. So whatever we want to do right now, we want to roll using a rolling pin. And as you're putting the dough, as you're spreading some little bit of the dough, don't overdo it. If you overdo it, your dough is going to harden, and we don't want that. If your dough hardens, you're going to make fried jacks. And remember, we're not making fried jacks, we're making short cakes. Yeah. So they are very easy to make. So after that, you can just cut out any shape that you want, and you can even comment down below and tell me your best shape, which country you're watching me from, also your favorite recipe, because I wouldn't mind to try that out next time. This is Tracy's Global Kitchen, and here we travel around the world trying out different recipes. Okay. So using a rolling pin, this is how to check whether your oil is ready. Look at that. That can just tell me that our oil is very, very ready for us to put in our dough. So here we're going to cook them until they are well caramelized, and that is just my own preference. Okay. Yes, that is just my own preference. Look at that. These shortcakes are very, very good. You can take them as brunch, lunch, even some other people take them even for lunch, breakfast, you know, or even as an evening snack. So as you place them, always remember that the oil is hot. So be alert. So immediately you place them, you start spacing them while you turn them carefully. Look at our shortcakes. We call them mandazi. They are very, very puffy and very soft. Look at that. Very soft.